That is always fun. Hello everybody, this is meteorologist Andrew Pinero with this special Rex Weather Earth Day. So it's Earth Day is raining quite a bit where I am right now. Now I talked about this over the weekend. The rain coming in right now is kind of it's backtracking a little bit. We're having the rain move from the east to the west, which is unusual. Usually systems move from the west to the east. But this is essentially the backside of the low pressure system. So this could actually be, say, with a snowstorm situation. This would be considered wraparound snow if it was cold enough. Alright, so Earth Day. I want to get your opinion about Earth Day. Do you think we need one Earth Day? Or should we be celebrating an entire Earth month? And in terms of environmental research or climate research that I've done, I haven't continued anything else, but I still do want to try and get my video up with my friend who's into politics and was looking at the new Green Deal. I still don't want to look at it yet because I want to get a fresh perspective when I do the video with her. So she's going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about the climate stuff that I've researched before and how they play into each other. So that's the video coming out in the continuation of the series called Climate Change Chat. Now, Climate Change Chat will probably be coming out again over the summer. In the meantime, I'm going to have a couple more videos this week. Some of them I will be here, some of them I won't be here. That's because I'll be heading away on vacation. Let's get a little rip here. Even though it's a little wet, let's see. So, first gear, wheel slipped a little bit, just a little bit there. Oh, and this is cool. I see the sun actually coming out a little bit. So, first gear, just because it's wet, and these stock tires, they're not the best. So first gear did slip a little bit. Same thing happened when I actually do a full 0 to 60 run in this car. I can't, because even though this is an all-wheel drive car with Subarus, all four wheels slip, which isn't a good thing when you're trying to do a 0 to 60 run. And then if you leave traction control fully on, when the slip actually happens, what the car will do is cut power, because the gas pedal is a drive-by-wire system. So if the engine decides to cut power, I have no input into the gas pedal. So besides that, with Earth Day, we do really have to try and protect the planet. And if climate change is not a thing, for anybody that says it's not, what's the bad thing about trying to protect the environment? Is it such a bad thing about trying to be more eco-friendly? How can that negatively affect anything? So that's my whole spiel with that. For anybody that says climate change isn't real, why is it a bad thing to actually try and protect the environment? We live in it, so why wouldn't you protect it? But from my research, I have seen climate change actually happening. And I'm going to try and conduct a little bit more research to further prove the point. So otherwise, a couple of things with Earth Day. I know a lot of news stations are talking about this as plastic. Governor Cuomo today also did something with banning plastic bags in New York State, which I have seen a lot of companies actually do already. Well, retailers stop using primarily plastic bags, but there's still some that do. So the rest of today is this video is just going to be talking about plastics, numbers, and I actually have done presentations on this before with a bunch of people that attended the presentation. It was plastics, numbers 1 through 7. And I'm going to see if I can put up some of my slides from that presentation up into this that go through each of the 7 types of plastic. Well, 6 primarily. And the 7th is kind of a catch-all for any other type of plastic that just can't be recycled. essentially the way it works is the most recyclable one is number 1 plastic. Least recyclable is number 7. And I'm going to put up that graphic right now. So that was a little bit of the types of plastic. The best thing are the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce what you use is number 1. What you can't reduce, try and reuse. And if you've reused it so many times or it's something that you just can't reuse, then recycle it. So that wraps up this video. Happy Earth Day, everybody. If you want, get more content, hit that subscribe button below, and then the little bell icon right next to that so you get notified when I upload videos or I do go live sometimes. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.